In User Guide. Filter Replacement. Turn off the water supply before replacing the filter. Switch off the power. To replace the filter, rotate the nanofilter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pulling it straight out. Rotate the CB filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pulling it straight out. Rotate it clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees. Then place it into the upper nanofilter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. Rotate the nanofilter clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees. Then place it into lower CB filter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. After rinsing is complete, return both filters to their original factory positions. The filter change was successful and needs to be reset before use. Turn on the water supply after replacing the filter. Switch on the power. Tap the reset button to select the filter. Then press and hold the button for 3 seconds to complete the lifespan reset. There are 2 filter cartridges that need to be reset. Repeat the same steps for each filter. Then, tap the water dispensing button to start a default 10-minute continuous flushing. During the flushing process, a rotating icon will appear on the screen, indicating the flushing process. After 10 minutes, the screen will switch to the operation interface. After rinsing is complete, return both filters to their original factory positions. Rotate the CB filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pulling it straight out. Rotate the nanofilter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pulling it straight out. Rotate it clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees. Then return it into the upper nanofilter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. Rotate the CB filter clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees. Then return it into lower CB filter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. The water purifier is ready for use.